In this video, I will show you how you can screen record on your PC by using OBS. But you can see what I'm doing here. This is that I'm recording my screen with an OBS to make this video. So I'm just going to show you. First, you can install OBS. This is me just showing you that video. You can screen record it and finish the recording, and you can see the video right there. And now you have to open up Google Chrome, search for OBS, click on that top search result in there, and you can download zip. You don't need to download the installer, you can just download the zip if you don't want to install, but you can download the installer if you want to install OBS on your computer. Basically it doesn't make any difference, but for me, I don't like to install. I want to just use it right away. For here, click on extract all. You have to extract the zip, just wait for the complete. If you don't know how to extract it, you can right click on it and click on extract all. And then what you want is just have to follow me here by clicking on bin. Scroll down until you see OBS 64.exe right there, and you can just click on it. Just click on that to open the OBS, but now I want to move this to my desktop for an easier access in the future, or in the program file, sorry, my bad. And then you head back into the bin, the 64-bit shortcut. Put that shortcut on your desktop so you can open it up easier when you need it to paste it and rename it to whatever you want, OBS, screen record, or something. And after you can just open that up and you can start on recording. Well, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.